Alright guys, so for the most part I am pretty much done with my side. Hubby will be doing his side on tomorrow because I gotta go and tackle the kids' closets, which Lenix and Levi, they share a closet. So I gotta get their closet organized. I have to get LeBron's closet organized. So I'll give you a quick view before I close it off. What? Okay. So this side here, which these right here I'm probably throwing away. More than likely. They're just some little suits. One of them I probably throw away, not the other, maybe. Anyway, so I got my shoes up here. Those are tennis shoes on this side, and then boots. Levi, wait baby, wait. Okay, so sit down. Sit down. And then I have my shirts, from my vest to my long sleeve casual button downs to my knits, cottons. Levi, wait baby, wait. And then as you can see, like right here, I have like my knit long sleeve, my sweater, thicker type ones that I wear, which this should be flipped. So I probably just flip this piece here and put that here like I had it at the apartment, whatever. Anyway, you get it. But anyway, my thinner knits that I can wear underneath certain things. And then I have my blouses, all my pretty much short sleeve or sleeveless blouses there. And then I have my sleeveless little tops that I can wear here and there, which is time to get rid of a lot of this stuff. So I've been trying to get my wardrobe together and stuff like that. But that's the top. The bottom, I started with all my jackets, somewhat color coded, different colors, to my pinks, reds, to my browns, to my creams, to a few of my blues, to all my blacks. And then I have my belts, this right here. I've been having this a long time. My mom gave me this actually, and so I just use it as my belt hangers and belt hanger, and then belts hanger, whatever. Anyway, moving along, I have all my jeans first, which I have some that's in a washer. I only wear a few select jeans, so the others are trash. Anyway, I have all my slacks. Some slacks I can fit, some slacks I need to get either I need to hem it or I need to take it up. Some came from friends, some came from family. Like a lot of my family and stuff, like we like to hand-me-downs. And sometimes it's not like hand-me-down as in been worn. It's like, hey, I bought these, I never wore them, here you go. So some of those are from that I have to get hemmed, or I have to take up in a waist, whatever case may be. And then I have at the very end like my sweatsuit type outfits, warm-up suit type thingies. And that's all of the hangers pretty much that came from either me switching out hangers, because I'm eventually gonna go to these hangers here. Hopefully you can see it. But anyway, the rose gold handles with the black suede hanger. So pretty much that's what I'm gonna go with. Eventually I'll be switching out all of them, and you can kind of see up there how I've switched out a lot of them. Anyway, y'all too, can you back away? No. Sit down. Well, you can't get that close. Lord, y'all see them. Anyway, that's hubby's pile of stuff, and over here that's trash. I have to dump that. There's some LeBron stuff that got mixed up with my stuff doing the move. These are all my dresses and skirts and either long jackets and also scarves. I gotta move that hanger. I don't know why that hanger's there. At the top, I'm gonna put all my purses and bags. Levi, stop. My purses, my bags. In this corner here, hold on, let me unplug my camera. In this corner here, I bought this shoe rack from, was it Ross? Yeah, Ross. And I think it was $14.99, I think. Anyway, so I have my shoes. Some shoes I need to get rid of still. Stop. Some shoes I have to get rid of, so I'm still weeding through that. I got rid of some stuff right here. But anyway, some stuff I still have to get rid of or whatnot. And so, yeah, so I bought this stand here. Once hubby get his side together, he can decide if he wants to have a rack or if he wants to just, you know, put his shoes in order underneath his pants or whatever he wants to do to his side, you know, he can do. Plus we have a spare room that we can use too as extra space. Anyway, the extras I have here, wait, why is it a little blurry? Okay, so on the side I have boxes of shoes as well that couldn't fit anywhere else. The shoes at the bottom, they cannot fit on the rack, they're too tall, and so I didn't know it was gonna do that. This little boy here, if he kicks me one more time, stop with the temper tantrum, stop it. Cut it out. Temper tantrum. I'm not talking to you, Lenix. Hey, you. Oh Lord, Levi, sit down and watch TV. Anyway, so yeah, it's a shoe rack. I gotta put the rest of these bags on there. There's a few belts I gotta put in there. Y'all know the little things you come home and from the hospital in. That stuff is in there. I think, is that some my shirts in there? Something's in there that's mine. I don't know what it is. Anyway, I got a few things I have to finish going. Oh Lord, some of this stuff I gotta put up right here too. For time being, it's baby's blankets, shorts of mine. I got towels, so I have to go through all of this stuff here. My hats are up there, but this right here is probably gonna be more for like shirts and shorts because we're not gonna get an actual chest drawer. This is gonna stay here. This is my jewelry box. My mom had bought me this a long time ago, so it's gonna stay in here, but I'm gonna keep that for my jewelry. I gotta go through that one day, not today. And yeah, so I still have storage space under here if I ever need it for like more boxes of shoes. And yeah, so that is it for right now, y'all. So yeah, there you go. Once hubby sides get done, we'll show you hubby side and so on. What, Levi? You woke up in a bad mood. Hey, and look at you. You're looking guilty. Anyway, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. My battery's about to die, but as you can see, that's my closet. So let's go to the next project. Bye.